Well, as, I'm, as I was sitting here playing on my computer, I'm like thinking to myself, am I really going to just make a video out of the blue over a simple sandwich? And the answer is yes. I just had this idea. Just came to my mind. And I'm looking at it. I'm just looking at the box as I'm opening it up and getting ready to put it in the microwave. And I'm like, do I really want to make a video over this? A little simple review video over a single sandwich for who knows how long that video will be? I will. Just because the idea spawned to my mind and I don't know. I wanted to make something. I will be back in a minute. Well, more like less than 30 seconds. And here it is. Hang on. And here it is. Fresh out of the microwave. Hang on. Just today, I am reviewing the State Fair barbecue rib sandwich. It's brand new and microwavable. I think it was like maybe $4 or something. I forgot how much it was. I know it definitely wasn't six. Like, it was less than $4, I believe. Comes with one sandwich, one single sandwich. But I wanted to give it a shot. I was curious. Yeah, I'll do it later. But for now, let's take a bite. Bon appetit. It's dang good. It's good. That's good thing nothing important in view. I really gotta clean up my mess. This is not good. Yep. Honestly, that's really good. Solid 7 out of 10, I'd say. Burger, I mean the bun, not burger. Bun specifically. The bun is simple, plain, very fluffy, I'd say. Probably could use like maybe a little more to it. I want to say like a little seasoning, maybe. I don't know, maybe not seasoning. Maybe like those little seeds, because I like those ones. The ones with the little the seed buns. Those are fun. Those are delicious. But the pulled pork, the barbecue rib itself, fantastic. It is amazing. I highly recommend. Maybe not the price, but you know, it's good. I give it. I'd say try it. Is there anything else I should do about this? Eh, I guess that'll be all for today. So yeah. Thank you for checking this out. If you ever gave it a shot, or no, yeah, just thank you for giving this video a shot, and hope you have a wonderful day. I've been your host, Kelly the Human, signing off.